In this guide, you'll learn how to fix promo code not working on Uber. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is that you are entering the promo code before placing your ride or order. Promo codes usually won't apply after the booking is already confirmed, so timing is important. Next, make sure to check the expiration date of the promo code. Many codes are only valid for a limited time, so if it's expired, it simply won't work anymore. Also confirm whether the code is restricted to certain services like Uber Eats only or specific cities or regions. Another important step is to ensure you are using a personal payment method. If your account is set to a business profile, promo codes often won't apply, so switch back to a personal payment method and try again. Also double check that you are entering the code exactly as shown, including the correct capitalization and spacing, since some promo codes are case sensitive. Finally, if none of these methods work, try reinstalling the Uber app. Uninstall the app, restart your device, and then install it again. This can fix any temporary glitches that might be causing the issue, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix Uber promo codes not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.